On my last previous video, I have created the ANOVA test here. So welcome back to my channel again, and you can see here all the results are there in the ANOVA tables. So some is called as total, some is called as between, some is called as within. Everything is visible in here, and our results are also on the bottom. You can see the statistic value, the p-value, everything is visible over here. So next is, so we identify how to do ANOVA in, how to do manually ANOVA in Excel. Next step is, in Excel there is one tool pack called Data Analysis Tool Pack. You can add that tool pack into your Excel. I will show how to add it. Actually, I have already added. So that here there is a data analysis tool pack already here. So go to File, More, Options. You have here add-ins. Click on add-ins and scroll. It's not responding. Okay, let's wait for some time. Yeah, here it came. So add-ins. Here you can see analysis tool pack. I have already added analysis tool pack into my Excel and press go. You can see here it is asking which all types of toolpacks you need to add into your Excel. So I want only analysis toolpack. So I check the analysis toolpack and press on OK. So now you can see in my data there is data analysis. So those who don't have data analysis toolpack, go and do this step. Go to File, press on More Options and select Add-ins and add Data Analysis Toolpack to your Excel. Then only you will get data analysis toolpack in your Excel and you can go for analysis. So here, next step. So already we have done manually. Manually we have done everything of Excel ANOVA test in Excel. Next we are going to do ANOVA using data analysis toolpack. So go to data. This is very simple. Very simple means very simple. Nothing to worry about it. Very simple means you will get steps within, you will get result within 1 minute. So this will be easy now. This is the most powerful one because the result what is getting from within 1 minute is more valuable than doing manually. But there is one thing, we should understand everything behind each and every each analysis, because then only we can identify what changes are happening. If we do ANOVA within simple steps, we will see a big table and we can't identify what is MSC, what is within squares, between squares, nothing we can't identify. So if you study it manually, then it will be easy for you while you see that. So I'll tell by example. I will show it and you can identify what's happening in this analysis. Go to data, then press on data analysis, then press on single factor, and here you have loads of analysis. Go for only single factor ANOVA. Press on OK. Here I have done before, so just change everything, delete this and add only from G1 to this cell because we need only one title, and tick this. Labels in first row means our G1, G2 and G3 will become as titles. So press on this. Alpha value is always 0.05 only. If in some questions it will tell the significance value is 1%, that time we need to change alpha value to 0.01. Most of the cases of the analysis, the alpha value is 0.05 only. Then we are grouping by columns only. Then the output range location I am giving This is my location. Then this much. So here in input range we have given the entire data. Then columns, labels in first row, alpha value as 0.05 and output range to one location. Press on OK. So from this table, if first I taught this table, you may not be understanding. What is this? You will be asking to me, what is this, Christy? What is this? EzyMentor? I can't identify nothing from this. And you're not taking the class in a proper way. Actually, it's right because while I see this table in the first time also, I am not understanding what is SS, what is DF, what is MF, what is MS, what is F. Nothing was able to understand. So before on last video, previous video, we have studied everything here. Mean, what is grand mean, what is SST, what is SSB, what is the sum of SST, what is sum of SSB, and its degrees of freedom. You can see these values are over here in this table. Also, these degrees of freedoms are over here in this degrees of freedom, and the mean square values are over here. Also, the F statistic value 0.509 is same as here 0.509, and here it is the p value. P value is same as 0.6132. Then it's very easy for us to understand. Also, our count of observations, we can see there are only 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows, and the sum of everything is here. You can see the sum here, you can see the sum here, you can see the sum. Then the average values we have already found here. Average values. Also, variance is nothing but that equal to VAR. So this table is nothing but that we created here manually. So within simple steps, ANOVA is possible to show the result. So this is easy now while we studied it manually. So from here you can see the result will be if this value is greater than, sorry, we have not given if, press tab, if this value is greater than 0.05, accept not, otherwise reject not. Presenter, you can see here the result is accept H naught, which means our H naught and H1 is these things, and here we are accepting H naught. Means our result is means are equal. So this is the result. Like this, we need to study ANOVA. So now we can see ANOVA is very easy. Before everything, I forgot to tell you one thing, that in ANOVA there should be always more than 2 groups. This is very important. More than 2 groups means here you have group 1, here you have group 2, and here you have group 3. So when going for analysis of variance, always you should have more than 2 groups, which means 3 groups is okay, 4 groups is okay. Then you can go for ANOVA. If it is 2 groups only, means we will be doing another test called t-test or z-test. We will be moving with t-test or n-test if it is only 2 groups. So if it is group 1 and only group 2 means go for z-test and t-test. If there is more than 2 groups means go for ANOVA. Here we have 1, 2 and 3. So more than 2 groups. So we go for ANOVA. Then we will be discussing t-test, f-test, and is the test, everything will be on next classes. Okay, then to bye for today. Thank you.